How about sleep for kids' brain development, and how much sleep do kids need? I know different ages have different requirements, but let's talk about our kids. So the ones that are in within the first 2 3 years of their life, and then when they get to the 11, 12, 13 years of age, how much
Mhm.
sleep do they need to keep their brain growing at an optimum rate?
Okay, beautiful question. Ahmed, we are lucky that we have little kids, and we have, I think the kids have taught me a lot. These medical books did not teach me what my kids have taught me. So, when your kids are sleepy at night, what happens?
We feel so blessed that they're sleepy and they're going to
No,
bed, and
no,
we
no. What
start making our
happens?
own plans.
No, what are the signs we know
So
that? Because
what
they go
happens to
cranky,
them?
they become fixated
Yeah.
on things. Your child might tell you at 9 p.m. that they want to go to the park, and you
Mm.
say, "Oh, it's dark. No, I want to go to the park." And
Start throwing
if
tantrums.
see, and this is and those same child who is so aggressive, who is not listening to you, when the child goes to sleep and the next morning he wake up, the child is so smiley, he's laughing, he's giggling, he's so
Oh,
playful, which
yeah.
means sleep did something to the child which changed the personality so much. So
Mm,
basically sleep is the time where it is not the time period of recharging of the brain, and this is also one aspect. The other
mm,
thing is sleep is the time where actually the major part of the construction of the brain happens. For example, you know that whenever we learn something,
mm,
you provide me some kind of information, you tell me something. So, what happened to my brain? Basically, there is a synaptic connection. One neuron just reaches to another neuron and make a connection. That connection initially is very transient. It can just break away.
mm,
So, what makes that connection permanent? Sleep. It is like when you join two pieces of wood with glue.
mm,
So you need to keep them and give them time. Only then the bond is gonna be permanent. So same thing, that's what sleep does to your brain. And all the neurotransmitters, basically they are, all the requirements are met during sleep. And sleep is the time when the child also, for example, all the emotional content, so the self analysis, like
mm,
what things he can do, what he cannot do, those concepts also get cleared during the process of sleep. And sleep is the time, I think, which is one of the most important time. And the other thing, the sleep timing changes with age. So when you have a newborn sleeps around 14 to 17 hours per day,